What's going on, man? I got my third winning day on the XFA, and yeah, I want to talk about the trade that I took. I was super patient. This was a trade during Asia session on gold, and bro, I have lots to talk about. I'm super happy with the trade that I took, and I'm just super happy with the way that I've been trading. Before I start the video, I want to say I got a code with my funded futures, which is mad because I've been trying to get a code with them for ages and they just kept denying me because obviously I wasn't big enough on YouTube or any of my other social media platforms. So that's all thanks to you guys. That is genuinely all thanks to you guys. You guys have run up my numbers enough to the point where they decided that they wanted to give me a code. And I know that a lot of you guys trade on my funded futures, so that's perfect. If you guys want to support me, please use my code on my funded futures, and same with the other prop firms as well. Obviously, you don't have to, but it does help me out. Anyways, I think I'm up 9R on gold, like all time performance at the moment. When I passed the eval to get this account funded, I hit a 1 to 3.5 and then a 1 to 2, so that's like 1 to 5.5. Then I hit a 1 to 1, 1 to 6.5. Then I've done another 3 1 to 1s, so 7, 8, 9.5. I'm up 9.5R on gold. And, maybe there's a losing streak coming. It wouldn't surprise me. But it's been great. And it's been so relieving on my mental health to be able to trade during the daytime. So many positives. And I'm just feeling great about my trading. So, yeah, bro, that's really that. The trade that I took was a long, and it was targeting these equal highs because there was 4 equal highs. This one was slightly above, but 4 relative equal highs. Luckily for me, I trailed my stop up to a 1 to 1, and I got stopped at that 1 to 1, so I got that $200 winning day. And bro, banger. This is why I love trading 1 to 1s. It's good for your mindset. It's good for your psychology. You don't, I don't like losing. And so having a higher win rate makes me feel better about my trading, gives me more confidence to take setups, and it's working out for me. So I've got a lot of comments recently saying, "Oh, bro, you're not trading 1 to 1s anymore." I do still trade 1 to 1s. I've said this a million times, but once I get to a 1 to 1, I trail my stop. So this becomes my stop loss. And that's why when this candle came down here, I got stopped out at a 1 to 1. The reason I do that is because if I have the chance to catch a 1 to 2, I may as well take that. And so that's how I do it. But today, unfortunately, all I was able to get was a $200 winning day. And that's fine, bro. That's fine. So I want to talk about why I took longs. And mainly it's because of the 15 minute. It's a bit confusing because a lot of time's gone by now. So everybody just try to pretend like from here is just all not, it's just not existing, okay? None of that was there when I was trading. We came into this 15-minute imbalance, put in this wick, and we held that. So we came up again, and I was like, all right, we just put in 4 equal highs here, and now we're dumping again. So we took that low again. Then I wanted to see longs up to those equal highs, but we didn't get a setup. We came down again, swept liquidity again for a second time, and then we got a 5-minute inversion to the upside. The only thing that was stressing me out was that we had these previous day lows down here, and they were a pretty significant draw on liquidity. So I was a little bit skeptical to take a trade, but it worked out. So I took a trade when we inversed that 5-minute here, I believe. Oh no, sorry, I didn't take this 5-minute inversion because we only just closed above it, and it was a little bit too risky for me. So what I did is I dropped down to the lower time frame, and I thought, because we didn't close with much momentum, I want to see if we can get another setup on the lower time frame, and that's what we got here. So I actually took a trade here on the 1 minute with my stop at this low, targeting those same equal highs, and we got stopped out at break even after we took this high. So I went break even here. Oops. I went break even here. Sorry, I'm getting all confused now. Yep. And got stopped at break even. So, I went break even a little bit too quickly, but it worked out because I got another re-entry here on the 2 minute, I believe. Yeah, on the 2 minute, I got another entry right here. Slightly smaller inverse, but it worked out well. I wanted to go break even here at this high, but I mean, that was right at my entry. Wouldn't have worked out. So I just left the trade, didn't go break even, and let it go all the way up until that take profit up there. And now I've deleted where the trade was. Damn. So that's what I wanted to target. And, you know, even if I didn't go and move my stops up to that 1-to-1, it still wouldn't have hit. That's something that I just noticed day in and day out, is that gold especially really, really likes to edge you. It likes to get really close to the significant draws on liquidity and then change its mind. So it did that there at those equal highs, and if I had have been waiting for that, I would have been stopped at break even or potentially taken a loss. And then it did the same thing down here at these previous day lows. Same exact thing. We came all the way down here and then went, you know what? No, let's come all the way back up and take those equal highs. So I'm an advocate for just taking your profit when price starts to look a bit sketchy. All right. Think about it. This is such an obvious spot for price to go. Wouldn't that mean that price is not going to go there? Right? If it's so obvious, too obvious, then why would you expect it to hit? I mean, I know that sounds kind of stupid, but I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Like, if they're gonna try and catch retail traders expecting this level to get hit, and that's what retail traders are thinking is going to happen, then why wouldn't they reverse it? I mean, it makes complete sense. It's frustrating as hell when, you know, that's your TP and you can't hit it, and then the same thing here, this is your TP and it doesn't hit. It's a pain in the ass. But that's why I'm just happy to take my piece of the pie and move on for the day. And that has just been saving me day in and day out, genuinely. So yeah, that was huge. Performance stats. Actually, let's just look at it on TradeZella, because I would just show you on Alpha Futures, but I mean, I've got a year of free TradeZella, so we may as well just have a look at it on here, right? If you guys want to get TradeZella, you can use my code. You don't need to use TradeZella. It's a really good journaling software, but it is a little bit pricier, and you definitely don't need it to become profitable, but it is a nice thing to have. If you do want to have a journal, in my Discord, there's a free Notion template. That journal is sick. So many people use it. So many people like it. But I talk about that all the time, so I won't yap too much. But 100% win percentage over the last 4 days, which is hectic. 3.5% profit factor. I don't really know what that means, to be honest. I guess that would just mean that I'm up like 3.5R with an 85% win percentage, and I'm up 640. So win, and then last month was win, win, and win. I mean, that's a break-even day, really, but it counted as a win. Which is just huge. I wish I could talk to you guys more a little bit about this, but I haven't had a chance to really dive into all of this stuff yet. There's so much to do. There's back testing and shit on here too. But you know, I don't want to make this all a promo piece. This is the same stats here as well, just so you guys don't think I'm lying about anything. But yeah, hectic, bro, hectic. I just need to keep up what I'm doing, being patient. Today, this trade, I started trading at like 11 a.m., which for me, which would have been about, I think that's 20. And I waited like an hour or 2 hours for this setup to happen. And, you know, I took one break-even trade, but other than that, I was completely patient. I waited until I saw what I needed to see. And it works. It pays. It pays to be patient. So that's something that I hope you guys can take away from this, is just wait for your setup. All right? You might be noticing that I haven't been posting much on YouTube because I haven't been taking many trades. And I think that I used to struggle a lot with over trading because I wanted to make YouTube videos and I wanted to grow on YouTube. And that's not something that everybody struggles with, but that's something that I was doing. And I've sort of just accepted the fact that if I want to be a profitable trader, I'm going to have to take less trades, and therefore I'm going to have to make less YouTube videos. And that's just the way it goes, bro. That's the way she goes. Yeah, I had so many things I wanted to talk about earlier, and now I've just lost it all. So that's great. But yeah, I I want to keep trading gold this week. I'm sorry to all of you guys who I can't trade with during the New York session. I'm just gonna have to hope for you guys. Hope the best for you guys, and I might come back to it, but at the moment it's just too hard for me to fit into my schedule, and I want to see how this goes because I've been trading like an absolute beast during Asia, and it's been great, bro. I can have coffee, I can chill. I got the sun coming into my room when I'm trading. It's so good, man. It's so good, and I'm just so pumped about it. So from here, just got to get 2 more winning days. But that's not the main focus. The main focus is taking good trades and just being patient and being a good boy. That's all it is, boys. Being a good boy. Yeah, man. I appreciate all you guys. Make sure you guys run up the code if you guys need a funded account. I just got a thing with my funded futures, which is mad. Such a good prop firm, so I'm super happy that they accepted me into their affiliate program. That's dope. And yeah, bro, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys want to see me get this payout, because it's gonna happen. It is gonna happen, and it'll happen for you guys too. You guys just need to wait it out, bro. I've been trading for 2 years now, and this is the most hope I've ever had. So what can I say? Appreciate all you guys, and yeah, man, I'll see you guys tomorrow.